Do you sometimes feel like ChatGPT's answers just don't quite sound the way you'd like them to? Maybe too long, too rational, or not as warm as you wish. In this video from my ChatGPT for Beginners series, I'll show you how to change the tone, ChatGPT's personality, in the settings so it really fits you. I'll walk you through every step, give you a ready-made prompt to paste in, and at the end of this video, I'll show you how to adjust this prompt even better to your needs. Okay, let's do this. When you are in your ChatGPT screen, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner and choose Settings. Then go to Personalize and allow custom instructions. Here, you can change the personality of ChatGPT, where I suggest to leave it at default, adaptive, because it's the most flexible. Further down, you'll see Custom Instructions. This is where you can describe in your own words how you'd like your chatbot to behave. You'll also see a few adjectives like chatty, witty, encouraging, and so on. I suggest filling in your detailed instructions instead. This is my suggestion for the exact prompt. You'll also find it in the description below or make a screenshot of this. In the About Me section, you can tell ChatGPT the most important things about your situation and who you are. I wrote, "I'm a woman learning AI to boost my productivity and creativity. I prefer step-by-step guidance, real-life examples, and gentle encouragement." Here's an extra tip. If my suggestion of the custom instructions doesn't feel 100% right for you, which is totally fine, we're all unique, ask ChatGPT to help you create your own. Just open a new chat and start a conversation to get clear about how you want ChatGPT to answer. You can use this prompt. Help me adjust your tone to better match my preferences. I'm not sure what fits best yet. Please show me a few examples of how you could sound in different styles. Let me choose one and help me write a prompt for the custom instructions in the ChatGPT settings. Again, you'll find the text in the description. Now it's your turn. Paste the prompt, add your personal line, hit save, and start asking your first questions. Over the next few days, use ChatGPT a bit more intentionally. Observe yourself. Do you like the tone of the answers better than before? If not, fine-tune the settings until they fit just right. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more short, practical AI tips made for women starting their journey with ChatGPT and AI. To learn AI practically, I started this faceless YouTube channel to inspire you with my learning journey. See you soon.